汝是著揀出來hit-khián. 汝是著揀出來hit-khián. Just in case you want to know, the pronunciation of the name is Obi-Wan Kenobi. But usually people from Penang won't pronounce it this way, so here's the natural pronunciation. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Lu si means you are. Lu is you. Si means are, A-R-E. And著揀出來 means being chosen. 著揀出來. Kéng means choose. Chhut-lâi means come out. So kéng chhut-lâi, it literally means pick out someone from a group of people. Yeah, something like that, I think. And the A at the end of the sentence is kind of complicated to explain, so I will share the explanation that I found online within the comment section. And here's the last word, hit-khián. Hit-khián. It means the person or that person. Hit means that. Khián is a classifier for person. So Lu si著揀出來hit-khián literally means you are the person or that person who are being chosen by you know who and you know what. 講我人嘅民族語言，卻都對我人嘅民族認同。Okay, so I think that's all for today, and I hope you survive until the next presidential election, and I will see you after 5 years.